Ready? Get the A. Take it out and put it in. The other way. Put it flat. Put it flat. Yay, Christian, you did it! Yay! Good job, buddy. You're so smart. Yay! Clap, yay! Yay, you did it! You put it in the hole all by yourself. Perfectly square. Yay! You're so smart. You did it again. Yay! Good job. So proud of you, little birthday boy. 1 year old and already putting stuff in the holes. All nice and square. Other way. Other way. Other way. Uh-oh. That's okay.